What's up, YouTube? Today I have another unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox the UltraHuman ring. It's just gonna be a quick unboxing. This is the matte gray one. There's a lot of unboxings out there, so it's just gonna be a quick unboxing. This is the outside. I don't think it shows anything sensitive anywhere. No, it's just matte gray, size 7. It's just a quick unboxing. I did use the sizing kit, which I recommend you use too, to get the right ring size, especially for sleep. This is what mostly I got it for sleep tracking, well, also health tracking, stuff like that, but mostly for sleep. I feel like I get bad sleep and just wanted something like that. And here it is. Here's the box. Take a look around. Nothing. Air. Accurate measure sleep, recovery, and movement to provide actionable health insights daily. There's the back, to side, and then yeah, let's just get to opening the ring. I guess you open it this way. There's the ring. There it is. You can see. Let's take it out. Let's put this to the side. Oh, you cannot put it to the side, so let's just take it out. Oh, I thought it would be heavier than that. Wow. It's like as light as, it's pretty light. Oh, it comes with a couple of stickers. So you get a couple of stickers, UltraHuman stickers if you're into that. See at the bottom is just a congratulations, thank you. Just more thank yous. How to charge it, instruction manual. And then this should be the charging station. So you put it right there. And then this should be the cable. And yeah, that's pretty much it, all in the box. Let's check out the cable. Nice braided cable. Kind of hard. Nicely packaged in there. Let's just unwrap it. Yeah, very, very nice braided cable, black USB to Type-C, of course. Alright, let me clean up real quick. Okay, so I put everything away. This is the right here. This is a little charging puck. Put it here to charge. And yeah, I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot more heavier, but no, it's a really light ring. Nice cool ring. It fits pretty snugged how I want to. Mostly gonna have it on this finger, which is a little skinnier than this one, as you can see. Kind of don't struggle to put this one in and out, this one a little bit. But yeah, so I mostly have it this one right here. You see a little bridge right there, which that's where the main sensors are, so that's where you should have the bonnet skin. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick unboxing. There's a lot of videos out there already that really explain what this do, so I'm not really gonna make a review or anything. But if you have any questions about it, about my use case, just let me down in the comments. But yeah, I just want to give a quick unboxing. That's all for the video. Cool, thank you, peace.